Hey all, Raam Anand here, Chief Editor, Stardom Books. Have you ever wondered about the secret formula that makes some books chart toppers while others, well, not so much? Allow me to introduce the book content grid, a powerful matrix that will revolutionize how you approach book writing. Introducing the book content grid, the kind of GPS for your book writing journey. First stop, a ghost town, no narrative, no instruction, no interaction. It's like ordering a pizza with no toppings. That's what most dictionaries are like. Useful? Sure. Exciting as a trampoline park? Not quite. It's, well, bland. Take instruction and mix it with interaction, but ditch the narrative. And what do you get? A DIY kit, the kind of IKEA of books. Stephen Covey's The Eighth Habit does this brilliantly. It doesn't just talk to you, it gets you involved. It's the kind of book that says, help me help you. Pure interaction without storyline or instruction. That's a coloring book or paint by numbers kind of book, isn't it? Basically, books that say, I'm here, now you finish the job. A bit like DIY art minus the mess. Next one, purely instructive, like that teacher who speaks in monotone. No narrative, no interaction. That's who your math or science textbooks come in. They are not winning book of the year award anytime soon, but hey, they get the job done, right? Next one, pure narrative. We are talking fiction gold here. Harry Potter, anyone? Books that scream binge me. These are the thick, entertaining stuff. Now add a bit of interaction to the narrative, but leave out the instruction. It's like giving someone a jigsaw puzzle without the final picture. Thrilling? Yes. Confusing? Also yes. Narrative and instruction combined, or like your grandma narrating her takes and life lessons. Think spiritual books or captivating biographies. The perfect combo of once upon a time, and that's why now for the triple treat: narrative, instructive, and interactive. It's like the Swiss Army knife of books, the kind that has it all: story, lesson, and engagement. The perfect non-fiction book. These are the kind of books that we help write and publish from Stardom Books. Now, knowing where your book idea stands in this grid isn't just fun, it's foundational. Still puzzled about where your book fits? Maybe you're even wondering, book as a strategy is your game, or is it a good idea for you? Jump onto our free interactive strategy session at stardombooks.com/SS and let's figure out whether writing a book works for you or not, based on your specific situations. It's like a self-assessment. It's free, it's fun, and it's interactive. Go ahead and take it, try it right now. Remember, every idea has a place on this grid. The challenge is to find yours. Let's do this together.